Well, here you go. Here it comes. Go ahead, Josh. You got to get up and walk closer, buddy. You're not going to hit her. You guys are way too nice. Josh, you gotta walk up and actually hit her with it. It's a fight. It's a snowball fight. Oh!
Don't do that!
You gotta get him back, Kayla. Get him back, quick! You gotta walk up and get him back.